Hello guys, welcome to my video. And for this topic is we need to know a degree, leading coefficient, constant term of polynomial function. So these are the three example of polynomial function. So for topic today is polynomial function. So first is you need to know what are the degree of this equation. So for this equation, the degree is 2 or second. Why? Kasi the degree is the leading the degree is the exponent, highest exponent. Kasi this equation is hindi siya naka-arrange. So first is i-arrange muna natin siya. So first is first term is the highest exponent 2x squared minus 11x plus 2. So the degree is what are the variable is the highest exponent. So this variable is we have an 2 exponent, and this one variable is meron siyang invisible 1. So our degree is 2 kasi our first exponent, our first highest exponent is 2. So our degree is 2 or second. And for leading coefficient naman is malalaman mo lang leading coefficient kapag ano ang kanyang naka-leading term, kumbaga nakauna nga term. So for our leading coefficient is, for our first term is 2x squared. So ang ating leading coefficient is 2. And for constant term naman is malalaman mo lang constant term is what are the lonely number, the lonely number. So ang constant term is walang variable, so number lang siya. So our constant is 2. For second example naman, y is equal to x cubed minus 5. So first step is we need to simplify this into general form. So x times x squared is equals to x cubed, and then x times minus 5 is equals to negative minus 5x. So for our degree, di ba sinabi ko kanina ang degree is what are the highest exponent of the first term. So for our first term is x cubed. So ato ang ating degree is 3. And for the leading coefficient naman is what are the first term or leading term sa ating equation. So for our first term is we have an x cubed. So ang ating leading coefficient is di ba yung x is meron siyang invisible 1. So ang ating leading coefficient is 1. And then for our constant term naman is so nakikita nyo naman wala tayong number lang na walang variable. So wala tayong constant term. So ang ating ilalagay lang dito is 0. And then let's proceed to our third example of this polynomial function. So we have an y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 14x minus 56. And for our degree in this equation is di ba sabi ko kanina is what are the first term or our highest exponent for our first term. So for our first term is we have an to the power of 4. So siya ang pinakamalaki nga exponent. So our degree is 4. And for leading coefficient naman, for leading coefficient is what are the first leading term? What are the first term of your equation? So for our first term is we have an x to the power of 4. So we have an x variable is we have an invisible 1. So our leading coefficient is 1. And then for our constant term naman is an negative 56. And that's all for our topic today. How to determine what are the degree, leading coefficient, and constant term of the polynomial function. And that's all. Bye-bye.